Real strugglers of Bollywood who became big stars. Shah Rukh Khan. King Khan was from a middle-class Muslim family. He did many small jobs before getting chance in small screen. Present superstar Shah Rukh Khan started his career with 50 rupees, which he was received by his first TV show Fauji. Akshay Kumar. The real action hero Akshay is now one of the most successful actors in Bollywood. Akshay was a chef before entering Bollywood. He faced many ups and downs through his Bollywood career, and now he gives us only blockbuster films. Disha Patani. Bollywood's hot favorite Disha has no filmy background. This leading girl faced lots of hurdle in her Bollywood career. In an interview, Disha shared that she got replaced with someone else when the shooting was supposed to start. Deepika Padukone. This leading lady Deepika was a national level badminton player, but she followed her dream and struggled a lot. She started her career as a model and got noticed from advertisement. Priyanka Chopra. Former beauty queen Priyanka was at her early 20s when she entered in Bollywood. Priyanka herself confessed that she had no godfather when she stepped into this unknown industry. Present Hollywood sensation Priyanka made her own struggle to get ultimate success in Bollywood. Ajay Devgan. Bollywood's one of the top action heroes, Ajay is a self-made actor who has groomed himself throughout his career. As an outsider, he had no mentor and learned acting by himself. Now actor turned producer, Ajay gives blockbuster films only. Ranveer Singh. Born entertainer, Ranveer started his Bollywood career by modeling. He belongs to a common Sindhi family. This self-made actor has not only improved his acting skill but also achieved his great physique by tremendous hard work. Shahid Kapoor. This is true that Shahid has a filmy background as his father Pankaj Kapoor is renowned face of Bollywood. But Shahid never took any help from his father and started his career as a background dancer. His struggle story is really inspiring for all new actors. Parineeti Chopra. This bubbly actress made her own Bollywood career without taking her sister's reference. Parineeti was rejected many times for her chubby looks. She herself confessed that she was suffering from serious depression because she had no money and work in Mumbai. Amitabh Bachchan. Leaving legend Big B came to the dream city, Mumbai, to be an actor. He used to spend several nights in Juhu Beach because he had no place to stay. This supremely talented actor also faced back-to-back 8 flop films at his initial days and got massive success by struggling. Katrina Kaif. Katrina was a newcomer when she first signed her B-grade films Boom. There is no doubt that she has improved her Hindi to survive in Bollywood. Anushka Sharma. This is true that Anushka was launched by Aditya Chopra, but getting this opportunity was not easy for this successful actress. Ayushmann Khurrana. This talented actor got fame from his very first film, but it was not an easy journey for this actor as he was an outsider in Bollywood. Kangana Ranaut. Bold actress Kangana left her home and family and came to Mumbai to be an actress. This hardworking actress had no mentor when she was a newcomer in Bollywood. Siddharth Malhotra. Student of the Year famed Siddharth started his career as a model. This actor had no filmy background. He got his Bollywood success by grooming himself. Vicky Kaushal. New heartthrob of Bollywood, Vicky started his career with a commercially flopped film, Masaan. Hardworking actor told in an interview that he got rejected many times before getting his first film. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.